with inbuilt camera, and the problem is that the camera does not work with Windows 10. It does work with Windows 7 and various Linux distros that I have tried, but it doesn't work with Windows 10, mainly because of the bad driver support for Windows 10. And when I try to open my camera app in Windows 10, it gives me this error message. So if you open Device Manager, look for Imaging Devices. And as you can see, it has installed HP Universal Camera Driver, which is, in my case, not working. So we need to get rid of it. And as you can see, here we have listed the HP Universal Camera Driver, which is not working. So we're going to pick the second option, USB Video Device, and then click on Next. As you can see, now we have some different result. It has recognized my inbuilt camera webcam. So now let's just test again if it is working. Well, looks like it is working. Hope this helps you guys.